Hello everyone, welcome to the live trading session. So this is my first streaming, and today we'll be analyzing Nifty, Banknifty, and other stocks like main stocks. So hello everyone, welcome to the live trading session. So it's almost 9:13. So 9:15 the market will be open. So let's look into the pre-market. So we are looking into the pre-open market, and we can see that ONGC, Adani Ports, Titan are the top gainers in the pre-open market. And let's see the top losers here. So top losers Olympia, Infi, and UPL. So mainly we look into this six stocks. This top losers and three top losers and three top gainers. So let's add this in our watch list. So we can see here the market has opened a gap up of almost 45, 40 points. Yeah. So the market has opened by 40 points, and it's moving down, it's fluctuating. Okay, let's look into the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is also has opened a gap up. The market is positive today. Almost all sectors are doing good as the opening is good. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's take a look at the stocks. It's very volatile. So the 5 minutes candle has closed and it's a bearish candle, and let's see how it goes. It has opened a gap up. Maybe Nifty is trying to fill the gap. It's almost a gap of uh, yes, almost 50, more than 50 points. Now Nifty is trying to fill the gap. I think so. Okay, there's a bearish candle trying to fill the gap. I think so. Uh, Now it's reaching the previous day high. Maybe from this point the candle may rose or it may cross this previous day high. If the cross this cross the previous day high, okay, it has crossed the previous day high. Maybe today is supposed to be a bearish day. I think so. We're seeing that Nifty is going down. The first 10 minutes, Nifty has opened a gap up, and now the Nifty is trying to fill the gap. Let's see how it goes. Okay, bears are pushing it down. Let's see the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty is also pretty much volatile there. Bank Nifty has opened a gap up and it has gone till 35,000 plus 76 and it's coming down pretty much volatile. So let's wait for the first 15 minutes. Maybe after 9:30 everything will be sorted out. After 9:30 we'll see how the candles will go, how the market will be. So the Nifty is coming down. Nifty has broken its previous day high and it's coming down, and we'll see how it goes. And maybe it will continue the trend, or the trend was uptrend. It has already broken 15,900. That was a point. It's a point to be noted because it has broken this. I think it has opened a all-time high. 15,900 has been broken, and it from there it's coming down. Maybe from here there might be a consolidation here. Let's see how it goes. See, it was a trend, and 15,869 it has been broken. Now from here anything can happen. Either Nifty will go up or it will go down. So this is the line trend. Okay, let's see. It's almost 9:26 right now. Maybe after 9:30 we'll see how the trend goes. And if you are looking at the Bank Nifty is consolidating at this point. Market is bullish today. All the sectors are doing good except say IT sector and since media, auto, these are bullish, no bearish. And the main stocks of Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty are doing good today. Overall, the market is bullish today. We'll see how it goes. Maybe after 9:30 we'll be able to know how the market will be. Okay, let's look at 15 minutes. Market is a bit bullish today. Nifty is doing good. Bank Nifty is doing good. Nifty has opened. See, a huge green candle has appeared. So from this point, see, it has broken the previous day high, but from this point, there has been a reversal. So anything can happen. It's pretty much volatile here. It has already broken the 15,869 point. That was the resistance point. It has already been broken, and it has broken the all-time high 15,900. The most analysts have said that the Nifty will will not be able to break the 15,900, but it has been broken. It has gone to till 15,015, and now from this point the Nifty is reversing. Nothing can happen. Maybe Nifty will go up, or from here again Nifty will come back. A reversal can happen at this point also. So it's pretty much critical here. Let's see how it goes. So it's almost 9:30. Okay, this is a big green candle. It has broken the resistance one. Maybe okay. So anything can happen. Not this point. Okay, this is this point. Anything can happen at this point. 15,915. If it goes from this point, maybe today Nifty will be bullish. If it breaks this point, 15,915, because Nifty has reached till this point, and if it broke this point, Nifty is gonna go up. So the first 15 minutes is over. So we can see that Nifty has opened in this 15 minutes. We can come to a conclusion that Nifty has opened a gap up, and Nifty is tried to fill the gap. And at this point, the Nifty has got a reversal, and Nifty is trying to reach the open day. Okay, so there was a technical issue. Sorry for that. So Nifty is at this point 15,900. It's a strong resistance point. It's a pretty much strong resistance point. This point has to be noted 15,900, because this point has been noted by most of the analysts that 15,900 won't be broken, but Nifty has broken this 15,900 point, and from here we be able to see some reversal. There's a chance of reversal at this point, or maybe it will go up, reach this point, and reverse. Anything can happen, or Nifty can break this 15,950 and go up. Okay, let's look into the other stocks. Let's look the tradable stocks. Indra Prasad, Indraprastha Gas Limited. So Indraprastha Gas Limited got a good move here. It has moved by 4.38% today, and it's still going up. It has broken the resistance 1, resistance 2, and resistance 3. The previous day high has been also been broken. So this point is very crucial. It is moving pretty much fast. It has opened a gap up, and the volume is also good. Bank of Baroda, if you're seeing, Bank of Baroda has also opened a gap up. Mostly the Nifty 50, almost all companies have opened a gap up. I think today the the gas companies are dominating in the market. We can see that Nifty is coming down 15,900. 15,900, the reversal has been happened and it's coming down. So again, we have to note this point 15,865. If 15,865 has been broken, then Nifty will be bullish today. So the reversal has been happening in 15,900. It was an important point. Exactly here, 15,900 was broken, then market has been reversed. So now we'll see. Now we look at this point. That is 15,800 and 866. So if this point is broken, maybe the market will be going down because this is the open day high and this is the open day. Okay, the Nifty has broken the open day low. So for the first minute, 15 minutes, okay, so yeah, it's going down. Nifty is going down. Anything can happen. So let's see if Nifty will be bullish. Let's look into the Bank Nifty as well. Bank Nifty is also going down. Okay, index is going up. We can look into the index and yeah, so there has been little sign of bearish. So these are the six main stocks we will be trading today. Okay, look into the Nifty 50. Okay, Nifty is breaking. It's a huge candle. Okay, Nifty is going down. It has already broken this point. This was the previous day high. This was the previous day low. The previous day low has been broken. Then Nifty is going down. Maybe Nifty will be having a bearish day today. See, you can see here 15,900. At the same point, Nifty has opened a gap up. Nifty has opened a gap up, and Nifty has reached till 15,915. And from there, Nifty has uh, gone down and got a reversal at this point. And Nifty again tried to come back, and again 15,900. Nifty tried to break the Nifty 15,900 point. 15,900 point. The market was not able to be. Nifty was not able to break this one, and the reversal is happening now. We will see where the Nifty is going today. Mostly, it will be a bearish day today. That's what the candlesticks. Okay. Has gone down. So the Nifty 50 is consolidating. Anything can happen. So we could wait here because Nifty is consolidating here. Nifty is not moving anywhere. Nifty is consolidating at this point because it is holding. It has touched the CPR. So anything can happen here. So it's almost acting like a support here. And the previous day high, the Nifty is going to the previous day high and coming back. So it's pretty much like a consolidation. That's what I feel. And from here, either Nifty can go up or it can go down. But this is a major resistance point. Yesterday, Nifty was consolidating at this point as well. Okay, let's see. Okay, look into the Bank Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty is going down. Okay, Bank Nifty has broken the CPR. Okay, it's aiming to the pivot level. Let's see. MACD and RSI is bullish today. It's showing us bullish. Okay. Nifty is consolidating. We don't know what's gonna happen. We'll wait for it. Don't jump into this, okay? Don't take a trade right now. Just wait for the moment. But because Nifty is consolidating at this point and anything can happen during these points. If it break the first CPR and if it's break the pivot level, if it breaks the pivot level, then the Nifty is going down today. Okay, this is a major resistance zone. It's a major resistance zone. This point has to be noted before jumping into the trade. Just see this point. Nifty will try to get a support from 15,847 and Nifty has reached the previous day high. This is the previous day high. Let's see the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is pretty much volatile. It's very volatile. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty are very volatile today. So we have to see before taking a trade. We have to get a good sign before taking a trade. So wait for the right moment. Okay, so Nifty is consolidating. The Bank Nifty and both Nifty and Bank Nifty are consolidating. Anything can happen. See, again the Nifty has tried to break the previous day high, previous day high, and from previous day high, the market has been reversed. So let's again wait for some time. When we get the right point, we'll enter the trade. Okay. So we are seeing that the Nifty is going up. It has broken the previous day high again. Here the market was consolidating for almost 15 minutes, and Nifty 50 has broken the previous day high, and it's going up. So we'll look into the next point. That's the R1. So maybe Nifty will reach this point, or Nifty will break this previous day low, previous day high, and again it will go down. Anything can happen. It's almost unpredictable because Nifty has already broken the 15,900 points. So the market is pretty much volatile. So we don't know like what's going to happen today. Maybe at this 15,900 again it will try to break the point and market may reverse, or the Nifty will break the 15,900 and it will go up. It's almost unpredictable here at this area. It's a crucial price level, and the Banknifty, and we'll look into the overall market sentiment. The overall market sentiment is almost positive, except the finance sector, IT sector, and media sector. Almost all of the sectors are positive today, and HDFC Bank has gone down. So obviously, so the Bank Nifty will be going down. All the all the banks are doing good. Okay, so we look into the mini stocks of today. See, IGL has opened a gap up, and it has moved by 4.23 percentage. And we can see here that the VWAP is there as the resistance, and if it breaks this VWAP, you can enter the trade. If it breaks the 533, you can enter the trade. For not 530, go for safe side, you can take a point of 530. 530 is also good. If it breaks 530, you can enter the trade, and we can wait. M&M is also volatile. M&M, Hindelco, and Divisla was the top gainers in the pre-open market, and UPL and Free and Coal India was the top losers in the pre-open market. So we'll see like how it goes. Will it be a trending day or will it be a consolidation for all the stocks? Okay, let's see Nifty. Nifty is again consolidating. Nifty has again gone to this point and it has tried to break 15,876, but but Nifty was not able to break the point. Again, Nifty is going down. It is pretty much consolidating. You can't say anything because this is a crucial area. You have to note this area. This 15,900 has been broken, and Nifty has broken this point, and from here the Nifty is coming down. The Nifty is trying to fill the gap. Nifty has already filled the gap. Yeah, almost. Yeah, almost it has filled the gap. So Nifty, if it breaks this point, it's a crucial point, very much, pretty much crucial point. If it breaks this point, yeah, it is trying to break. Okay, so market is it's showing us that market is pretty much bearish today. If you are taking the trade, you can take a bearish. You can sell your call or you can buy your put here from this point. Okay, so the market is bearish. Market is trying to reverse. This is a major crucial point. So it has broken the yesterday's closing, and that is Friday. As Friday, the market has closed at this here 15,847, and it has broken 15,847, and it has tried to go down, and market is reversing. So we'll see. We'll see. The market is approaching the pivot point. It has broken the yesterday's closing point. So it's almost like a bearish signal. My prediction that market will be going to touch the pivot point. Whoever want to take the trade, they can take the trade, but keep the stop loss above here, above this area, because this is a kind of a resistance zone. Or for the safer side, you can keep the stop loss above 15,900 if you want. If you're a risk taker, you can keep the stop loss above 15,900. Okay, the market is trying to reverse. Let's look into the Banknifty. Banknifty is trying to break the CPR range, but it is getting a rejection at this area, this CPR, and here we can conclude that here it is a buyer zone. Buyers are accumulated in this area, and when the sellers are pushing the price to this area, the buyers are pushing the price up. So this is a kind of a buyer zone. Buyers is trying to push the price. Nifty same will be happening to Nifty. The sellers are trying to push the price down to this level, that is the previous day close, and from here the market here it has been rejected. The market is rejecting at this point. That's why a huge pin bar has been appeared here. But ultimately the sellers has won the battle. You can see a pin bar. This is a strong bear signal. There was a war between the bulls and the bears, and ultimately the bears have won here. Now the bears will be trying to push the price again. Again, bears will be trying to push the price, and we have to look into this point as well. If again the market is rejecting this point, we'll see how it goes. the market reaches the pivot level, then it will be a bullish signal, a bearish signal. The Nifty 50. Nifty 50 is pretty much consolidating. So we can't say anything here like Nifty 50 has come to the CPR, and from the CPR it has been bounced back. Again it is going to the previous day high. Again the rejection is happening because this area is very important area because Nifty has broken the 15,900. So it's a crucial area. Anything can happen. Let's look into the Bank Nifty as well. Bank Nifty is also consolidating, so we won't be able to say anything here. Okay, so let's move to the stocks. Let's see the stocks. So IGL is pretty much trending today. It's moving very fast. It's also already captured a 5%. And if you are looking in the volume, we got a good volume in Colgate. Beta India is also good doing. So selling volume actually. So guys, Nifty 50 is consolidating. Actually, the market is so volatile. You won't be able to predict anything here. Anything can happen during these points. Either the Nifty has to break 15,876 or it has to break this CPR. If the CPR is broken, then it will be a bearish. It will be a trending. But mostly, I think so. It will be a consolidation today because this is a major crude area. The Nifty has broken the 15,900. It's all-time high. So mostly it will be a consolidation today. We'll see how it goes. Break this point, or if it goes down by the CPR, if it goes down from the CPR, then it will be a bullish, sorry, a bearish. It will be a bearish signal. Let's look into the Bank Nifty as well. The Bank Nifty is also consolidating. Bank Nifty is also consolidating. You won't be able to tell anything here. Actually, we can do one thing. We could draw a line. We could draw a line, a resistance and support, because here we can see that it's consolidating. Yeah, here this range and this range has to be noted. So anything can happen here. Market is in a consolidation phase. Nifty is also consolidating. And guys, please don't take the trade. Just wait for the right moment. Just wait for the right moment and take the trade. Once it break the pivot level, or once it break the resistance area, you can take the trade. And before taking the trade, you also confirm that this area has been also been broken, and it's the after here the major resistance will be happening in 15,900. Okay, let's look into the stocks. Let's look into the today's pick. Today, M&M is in a uptrend. You can see once it breaks the CPR, and once it breaks the this point 796, you can take the trade. And let's look at the Hindalco. Hindalco, it's consolidating here in the this point. This is a major support. No, sorry, it's a major resistance here. It's a resistance zone, and once it breaks this, no, you have to look for this point as well. You have to see, because yesterday the market has gone up to the previous day the market has gone up to this level. This is a major resistance 380. If it breaks the 380, then the market will be a bullish. Let's look into the Davis Lab. Davis Lab has broken the yesterday's high. It's going up. It has broken the resistance. It has broken resistance 1. It has broken yesterday's high. It has broken resistance 2. It has broken resistance 3. But from resistance 3, the rejection is happening. The market has rejected. But from here also we can see that kind of rejection, and market has gone down. But here we can see that this area is a pure buyer zone. This is a buyer zone. From here you might be able to take a trade. if it come to this level, maybe from here, from if it come to this area, previous day high, the market will try to bounce back and you can take the trade from here. So that's it. Let's look into the Nifty 50. Hello guys. So guys, we are analyzing the top six stocks for the day. So these are the top six stocks, and the first three are the top gainers, and the next three are the top losers of the day. That's what we picked for the day, and we can see a good result here. We can see that the Lab is doing good. Hindalco is also doing good. M&M is doing good. So as we planned, everything is working. So let's move to the. So if anyone want to enter the stocks, just wait for the moment, because it has already got a good gain, because it has achieved the target as we said. So next we will move on to the, we'll check the Nifty and Banknifty again. So we can see here that it has reached the CPR, the last third CPR, central pivot range. It is still in the pivot range, and so we can see that here it is, the Nifty is getting rejected and it is moving up. So we'll see like if the Nifty is getting rejected at the first CPR. So it's moving up, it's getting rejected here. We can see a long wick has appeared here. A long wick has appeared at this level, at 15,820. This level, the long wick has been happened, and you can see MACD is also showing a good bullish sign. Even but RSI is still in the consolidation phase. We need to see if RSI moves above, then we can take this trade. So let's wait. So we can see here that this is a major resistance area. If it breaks this area, then Nifty is going up. So we need to wait for the right moment. Just need to see like if Nifty is breaking the 15,845 level. If it is moving up, then you can take the trade. So let's see. So let's move to the Banknifty now. Banknifty, if you see Banknifty is going down. So mostly, so Nifty will also be down. Let's take see. Here it is acting as a resistance. If it breaks this point, 35,371, maybe we can take a trade. Maybe it may be a bullish sign. Again, there's a resistance. It's better to avoid trading here. In this area, it's better to avoid trading. Just wait for the moment. Just once Bank Nifty goes above this area, then you can take the trade. So just wait, and we can see these are the main weighted stocks of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So mostly the weighted stocks are like these are I have choose the 8 stocks. These are the main weighted stocks of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So we can see that overall Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty is a the stocks are like in a bullish phase. All the stocks are in a bullish phase. So the market is right now in a bullish phase. We can see like if these stocks are moving up, if these stocks are getting a bullish signal, then Nifty and Bank Nifty also will rise. And mostly all the sectors are also trying to recover their positions. They were all in a bearish phase, and now the bulls have entered the market. Maybe Nifty is trying to take back the position. We can see like for Nifty, we can see like Nifty has opened a gap up, and it has broken the 15,900. That was the point to be noted, because the most analysis was like 15,900 won't be broken, but Nifty has broken this point. It was a huge gap up, and Nifty has and from here the Nifty started to fall down. So Nifty is falling down, and you can see that at this point it has fallen by some points. It has filled the gap, and it is going down. And at this point, at CPR, this is the CPR area. This is the major resistance. This is the major issue. CPR is a major issue. If it would have been broken, if CPR would have been broken, then Nifty would have been going down. But see, it got a support from the CPR, and Nifty is in a consolidation phase. We don't know like what's going to happen, because CPR is a kind of a it's like whenever the Nifty or whatever stocks or Nifty, Bank Nifty comes in CPR, it will be very volatile. Anything can happen. Either Nifty can go up or Nifty can go down. So it's almost like unpredictable right now. And you can see like mostly all the sectors are trying to recover their positions. All the sectors are recovering. And but we can see that the main weighted stocks of Nifty and Bank Nifty are in a bearish space till now. We hope if this goes up, if these stocks TCS, Infosys, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, SBI and HDFC, Kotak Bank and Reliance. So these stocks are the main weighted stock of both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if this goes up, then there's a chance of Nifty or Bank Nifty to go up. If this goes down, it's still now at this moment it is in a bearish phase. So retracement here, maybe this might be a retracement also. Maybe from here it might again come back, break this point and go down, or else it might take the position. It might break here, it might break this point and it will go up, or from here it will go down. Anything can happen in CPR. When the stock is in the CPR, when the Nifty, Bank Nifty, or any kind of stock, if it is in the CPR, it will be very volatile. It might can go anywhere. It might can go up or down. So we'll see. So don't take trade when the market is in the CPR. Just wait for the moment when the CPR gets broken, then you can trade. And sometimes it might be a fake out also. So just wait for the moment. Okay, then now you can see. Okay, Nifty is consolidating. Bank Nifty we can see. Bank Nifty is going up. Bank Nifty. The Nifty is also consolidating here. So it's acting as a resistance here. If it breaks this point, we might can take a trade. Maybe it will be a bullish sign. And MACD is showing a good sign here, and RSI is also positive. MACD and both RSI and MACD is positive. We can see what's going to happen. Just wait for the moment. Okay, so India VIX is also it's okay. India VIX it's not very much volatile. It's in a stable. Actually, market is in a stable phase right now. Not much volatile. Banknifty has broken the CPR. Okay, Banknifty has broken the CPR, and we have to wait for this also. This point also, here it is taking a resistance. So if it breaks this, then you can take the trade. Okay, you see. Okay, so we'll wait for this. Okay, now you can see here, see the CPR. CPR, the price is getting rejected. Again, it is getting rejected. It might again fall down. It may again fall down, or again it may take a support from here, support from the pivot. Anything can happen here. Okay, okay, these are the tradable stocks. Okay, I have a number of stocks here. These are the tradable stocks for the intraday trader or as well as the swing traders. These stocks are very good for swing and as well as for intraday trading. So we can see like from these stocks which stocks has moved much. So we can see Titan. Titan has gone into a bearish phase. Titan has moved. It has broken the previous day low, and it has moved. It has been moving down. See here the resistance one is also broken. Resistance one is also broken, and here it has took a support. So we can see why this point is why here I think maybe it might be a retracement also. You can look at the 1 hour chart. Okay, so this area is a kind of a support. This is a here is kind of a support zone. Maybe we can say it's a buyer zone. Okay, so here the price is getting maybe from here you can take a trade or wait for the moment. Maybe it might be a retracement also. You can check the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so the retracement here, the retracement has been broken. So we can check to the next level. You can, actually, if you want, you can take a short trade for some. Maybe you can do a scalping here. Okay, let me check the CPR as well. The VWAP is there. Okay, okay. See. The Titan is moving. Yeah. See, Titan is moving, and Titan is going to see. Titan is moving to the maybe previous day low. We can take the target as previous, and VWAP is also there. There's a two chance like there might be resistance in the VWAP here in the VWAP, or it might go to the previous day low. But actually, the Titan is moving here. It's in a bullish phase. Okay, so MACD is also doing good. You can see the RSI is also moving up from here. The momentum is increasing. And it is going up. So mostly Titan is going to take a reversal from here. The Titan has took a reversal. You can see that bearish. It's actually you'll be able to understand by this like it's a bearish engulfing. Sorry, a bullish engulfing, because at this whenever the trend is go like even if it's a bullish or bearish, when the trend is there, then if a bullish or bearish engulfing appears, it's a strong reversal sign. Okay, that's a strong reversal. So here the reversal has been happened. When you see this kind of reversal, then obviously then the stock will be going up, the market will be going up when this kind of candle appears. It's a bullish engulfing, and we can see that the Titan is moving up. Maybe it might go back from here. It's getting resistance from the this point. This is the VWAP line. You can see this the VWAP line, and the bullish trend has been started. See, it is moving. You can make, maybe you can take a trade. You can take this as the target. You have to wait a little more if maybe if the VWAP is getting broken, then you can take the trade. Okay, so watch out for the stock. So we'll look back at the Nifty and Bank Nifty again. So we'll see what Nifty and Bank Nifty is doing right now. So again, Nifty Bank Nifty is consolidating at this point. This is the CPR. CPR is a major issue here because it's a kind of a consolidation zone. It's a very volatile zone, so anything can happen. CPR is a kind of an important point where the trend can go up or the trend can go down. Okay, so please note this point. You can see the trend here. See, let me remove all the drawings. Okay, let's see the trend here. See, this was the downward trend. This was the bullish trend. And the bullish trend has been broken. But this reversal has happened here. You can see the reversal here. The reversal has happened here, and the market is trying to push it up. So the bulls are trying to enter the market, and they are pushing the price up. Market has reached to this price, and you can see that it's 15,800. This zone. This is very like a kind of a bullish zone. It's a buyer's zone. Okay, this is a buyer's zone. This 15,800. This area is like a kind of a buyer's zone. There's a lot of support here at this area. So whenever the market is coming up to this point, there might be a support here. So we hope that Nifty won't go down from 15,820. So you see, so a bullish phase has started. Maybe again it might come to this level, or it might take a long position from here. It might go up. Anything can happen here. Okay, let's look into the Bank Nifty right now. How small Bank Nifty doing? Okay, Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is also consolidating here. For those who wanted, they could have took the trade here when the Bank Nifty was breaking the CPR. They could have took the trade and kept the stop loss here, somewhere here, and they could have took the trade. Okay, now we'll see. Now we can see here that if the market is going into a bullish phase. The Bank Nifty was in a bearish phase, but here it's like a kind of a support zone. It's a major support zone, and market is going up. From here, market is as many times the sellers has tried to push the price down. This is the pivot point, and from the pivot point, the sellers have tried to push the price down, but there's a lot of rejection happening here. Whenever the sellers are trying to push it down, buyers are entering at this area 35 to 40. This area, this is kind of uh, a buyer zone. So here there is a lot of buyers here in this area. There's a lot of buyers. Whenever the price is going down, from here buyers will be engaged. Buyers will push the price up whenever sellers try to push it here. So we'll see. So from here, the CPR has been broken. So the CPR has been broken, and yeah. So we'll see. market is going up. Again, it might go to the previous day high, or it might go to maybe above this point. Anything can happen here. So for those who wanted, they could have took the trade here when the CPR has been broken. They could have took the trade here somewhere over here. Stop loss. They somewhere over no, sorry, somewhere over here they could have took the trade because the CPR has been broken, and they could have kept the stop loss here somewhere over here. So this is the pivot point, and there's a lot of buyers in this zone. So you could have kept the stop loss over here. Okay, so we'll see. Now it's a bullish phase. Okay, let's look into the Nifty right now. Nifty is consolidating. Nifty, the price has been rejected here. When the buyers push the price got rejected here. Okay, see. Okay, see, these are the major Nifty weighted stocks. All the major weighted stocks are in a bullish phase, and it is trying to recover. All these TCS, Infosys, HDFC, ICICI, SPN, HDFC, Kotak Bank, Reliance, all these stocks are the main weighted stocks of Nifty, both Nifty and Bank Nifty. And we can see here that these stocks are trying to recover. These stocks are trying to recover. That's why Nifty and Bank Nifty is going up. From the bullish phase, the Nifty and Bank Nifty is going up. But Infosys, maybe here from here, Infosys also will bounce back. Let's look into HDFC Bank. HDFC is the main, like same the HDFC Bank replicates Bank Nifty. Whenever the HDFC Bank is going down, Nifty Bank will also go down. Whenever the Nifty Bank will go up, Bank Nifty will go up. HDFC will also go up. So because HDFC Bank got the more weightage in Bank Nifty. The main weightage the main weightage of Bank Nifty are HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, SBN, and HDFC, ICICI, SBN, and Kotak Bank. Yeah, these four. This four has the most weightage in Bank Nifty. Okay. Okay, let's look into the Nifty is consolidating. It's better not to take trade here. However, trading at this point, because the Nifty is in the CPR. Whenever the stock or index comes into the CPR, whenever the market is in the CPR, better avoid trading. No, don't take trade. Just avoid. So whenever it breaks the CPR, then you might get a chance. And if you see, like here, if Nifty is going up, you can keep the stop loss somewhere over here. Nifty is going up. Nifty is getting a bullish sign. If Nifty is showing a bullish sign, then you can keep the stop loss somewhere over here, and you can just take the trade. And Nifty breaks this point. It has already tried to break the point, but it couldn't because it is a buyer zone. So mostly I think like Nifty won't come down. If it breaks this point, maybe this point, if it close down, if it close below the CPR, then you can wait for the moment and take the trade and keep the stop loss somewhere above the central pivot. Okay. Okay, so we can see that Bank Nifty is going up. It has broken the resistance here. Now we'll see the point. This is the next resistance zone. This will be the resistance here. So it actually you can just wait for this. If this point is broken, then you can enter the trade and keep a target of this. Even if you'll get some point, that won't be enough. I think for scalping it might be, but for to hold it won't be enough. So you have to aim for this. Maybe you can go for this actually. Uh, the previous this is the yesterday's high. That's Friday. This is the point where I think Friday the market has come to this level. This was the highest level. It was the highest level. So if I take in comes here and breaks it, then it will be it's gonna be a great bullish sign. At this point, if Nifty is breaking this level. Okay, we'll see Nifty is consolidating here. You can see a number of dojis appearing here because market is confused. Market, the buyers and sellers are confused. They don't know like if it goes up, they're in a confusion. It might go up or it might go down. But it's not a good sign actually. Whenever the price is going up, whenever the market is going up, if a consolidation is happening, it's kind of a bad sign. But we'll see. This is accumulation. Almost for 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 13. Okay, it's a bad phase. Maybe it's a accumulation area. From here, again Nifty will. It might be a retracement also. Here, this was the trend. This was today. Nifty was going in a downtrend. There it might be a retracement also. From here, the Nifty has bounced back, going to this level, and from this level, Nifty it may go back also. It might come to this level. It might be a retracement, or from this level, it might go up. If it breaks this level, then you can take the trade. Okay, let's see Nifty. Okay, you can see the Nifty. Nifty is coming back to the central pivot. Nifty is again coming back to the central pivot. See from here, the CPR range, CPR central pivot range, the first CPR. From here, the price got rejected. It's actually this candle is a good bullish sign. This is the Barbasu. This is the Barbasu candle, and there's a good. It's like a good bullish candle. But at this point, the sellers has entered the market and sellers push the price down. It might be a retracement also. From here, the again maybe bulls will enter the market and they will again push the market up. Anything can happen. Central CPR. CPR is a major support and resistance area. Market is in the CPR, central pivot range. This area is like a crucial. So anything can happen here. If it breaks here, this point, market goes down. If it breaks this point, market goes up. You'll see. You'll see the India VIX. India VIX shows. Okay. Okay, let's see. Nifty is here. Okay, okay. See this. Nifty has broken the central pivot. Nifty has broken the central pivot again. It has gone up, and but buyers couldn't push the price up. Buyers was not able to push the price up. Buyers has entered, but they couldn't push the price. They couldn't push the price out of the CPR, central pivot range. From the central pivot range itself, the price has been rejected, and sellers are pushing the price down. This might be a possibly, it's kind might be a, this the trend was a bullish trend. Maybe it might be a retracement from here to till here, and if it breaks this point again, it might be most probably the market will go down. Market will again fall. This point has been, if it breaks this point, market will again go down, because the retracement is, this was the trend, downtrend, and market has gone up, and it hasn't gone out of the CPR. It took the resistance from the CPR. It is again going down, and if it breaks this level, market is going down. So that's the analysis. Okay, let us see. Banknifty. Banknifty is also showing a bearish, and mostly see, you can see all the main weighted stocks. All the weighted stocks are in a bearish phase. All the major weighted stocks of Nifty and Banknifty are in a bearish phase. See the finance sector. Finance sector is kind of important for Banknifty, and it's in a bearish phase. See, you can see that it's going down. It actually replicates Banknifty. Okay, let's see. Okay, MACD has shown the signal. MACD has shown the signal, and we have to wait for the RSI. RSI, it's like might be kind of a consolidation here. RSI is also getting broken, and you have to see, but you have to wait. Actually, you have to wait and see, because this is kind of a support zone. This is a support zone here. You take the K here. 1 second. Support zone, okay. It's a support zone. So you have to be careful with this level. If market push the price, and if this zone is getting broken, then it might be a huge fall. It might be a big fall actually. This is a pretty much good support zone. And if market is breaking this zone, it's a zone of buyers. And if the market is, if the price is going down from this level, then you have to short. You might be getting a good points here. Mostly there won't be any kind of reversal. This zone getting broken, then you can take the trade. You can short Banknifty. Okay, market is in this area. Market is doing all kind of movements in this area. It's actually consolidating here from this point and this point. If it break this point, you can take the trade. You can take a long position, and if it breaks this level, you can take a short position. Now it's better to avoid trading. Just wait for the moment. Better to not to enter a trade. Okay, see, you can see again price is getting rejected. This is a buyer zone. This area is a okay guys, I'm back. So we'll see now. So we'll again look into the CPR. Okay, the first pivot has been broken. Now it's moving to the central pivot. It's entering the central pivot range. Okay. Okay. Nifty 50 has broken this CPR range. It has been going down for a while. See, from this here you have the support of, you're having a support of 200 EMA. Nifty 50 is getting the support. The price is getting the support of S 200 EMA 200. Okay. So from here it took the support and it is again buyers are pushing the price again up. EMA 200. Okay. Okay, so to the 200 MA line has given a support to price the price code support from the 200 MA 200 EMA explosion moving average. So gave a support here, and we can see the RSI also moving up. So again it's trying to again price is trying to go up. Let's see. It's actually the market is like confused. It's in the accumulation phase. It's accumulating too much. It's accumulating for a long time. So anything can happen from maybe accumulation. Like, from this accumulation phase, the market can go blast from here and go up, or else from here, from this point, and if it breaks the 200 MA point, it will go down. It will be a bullish day. Sorry, a bearish day. So let's wait. Let's wait for the moment and enter the trade. I recommend you guys not to take the trade right now. So guys, the market is pretty much accumulated here between this range, between this 15,800 and 15,850, you can say. It's 50 points. In this 50 points, the market is getting accumulated. So we can see, like, can wait for this right moment. Maybe from this point, the market will go up. So this is a kind of a strong resistance zone, or if it goes up from this point, and it will act as a support zone. If this Nifty goes up by this level, then it's gonna be a good bullish sign. We want to be a good bullish signal. And if it breaks this level, it's a bias zone. And if it breaks this level, then the price will go down. You can keep the stop loss somewhere above the pivot range. Somewhere above the pivot range, you could keep the stop loss and enter the trade. And it's gonna break this level. And you can see here, this is the 200 MA, 200 EMA. It took the last time it came, it was in a bullish phase. It took a retracement. The actual trend was bearish, and from here it took some kind of reversal, but from here it couldn't break the CPR range, and it again bounced back to the buyer zone. This is the buyer zone, and from buyer zone, this is the 200 MA. The 200 MA gave support to the price, and the price has gone up, and maybe for here again the candle will come take support, and if it breaks the 200 MA, then the market is going to go down, but wait for the right time, because there may be a chance of retracement also. Like if the candle has been broken this area, I mean if the candle has broken the 200 MA, and if it's going down, then it may took a support from the R1, and it will go up. So there is a chance of going up, like whenever when the 200 MA is broken, the next target will be this R1, and from R1 we can go to the previous day low. This is the previous day low. Most chances are like if the Nifty is breaking the if the Nifty 50 is breaking the 200 MA, then it's gonna reach the previous day low. Okay, let us see. Let's check the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has actually broken the CPR range. It has entered into the CPR, took the support from the central pivot, then broke the central pivot CPR range. The CPR has been broken, but here it's a resistance. It's a resistance zone here, this point, because you can see here a long wick. You can see whenever the price has come down, equally the sellers have entered the market and pushed the price down. So here it's a resistance zone. Here, so let's wait. Guys, who are watching the video, just could you guys please give a like. It would be very helpful for me. So who are watching the video, please like the stream. Okay, now let us wait. Bank Nifty, see the Bank Nifty. Actually, the market is in a consolidation phase. If you are checking the overall, if you are seeing the overall analysis of the Nifty and Bank Nifty, we can see that the market is in a consolidation phase, because you can see the 15,900 has been broken by Nifty today. It was a crucial resistance zone for Nifty, but Nifty has broken 15,900 and it's all-time high for Nifty. And at this point, whenever there is a huge resistance zone has been broken, the chances are like mostly the market will be in a consolidation, or it might go into a bearish phase. Actually, we could say that the market is in a consolidation phase today. So mostly the market will be in the CPR range only. Okay, let's leave the bank Nifty and Bank Nifty for a while and let's look into the tradable stocks. Titan, IGL still continuing its bullish phase. Actually, I have told in the morning like he could have those who would have wanted to take a trade, they could have took the trade somewhere over here, could have booked the profit here, or they could have actually when this can see the VWAP is getting broken. When the VWAP is getting broken, then you could have kept a stop loss below the VWAP and took the trade. You could have got this point. Yeah. We see the NMDC as well. NMDC is also doing good. Here also, when the VWAP got broken, you could have kept the stop loss somewhere over here. Somewhere over here, you could have kept the stop loss somewhere over here, ended the trade. You could have got these points. 2%. If you would have hold the trade, then you could have got this. But it was a good opportunity here. Like the wave is getting broken, and you could have kept the stop loss down somewhere over here and ended the trade. Bank Baroda. Bank Baroda. It's a consolidation phase. It's actually consolidating. The opening was good. I think it is maybe a all-time high. Bank of Baroda is an all-time high. I think so. I think it's enough. It's a 52 weeks high, and it's in a consolidation phase. It's better not to take trade. Okay, here also Biocon. Biocon is also has also given a clear breakout here. See here the here the price has uh, gone up. This this was the previous day high. Previous day high has been broken. Mm, those who wanted to take a trade, you could have kept the stop loss somewhere under the VWAP or kept the stop loss under the 200 AM, 200 AM and could have took the trade. And see percentage almost 2%. It's good. Okay, let's check the volume. We'll see the volume. PNB as usual has this kind of volume. PNB is it's better not to take trade in PNB. I normally won't take trade in PNB. Bank of Baroda. See the volume. The volume is pretty good. It's a huge volume here. BHL also got good volume, but now it's a consolidating. Actually, most stocks are consolidating today. Today, actually, it's like Nifty and Bank Nifty is also consolidating, and all the stocks are also consolidating. Okay. Today, today I think mostly the public companies have given a huge move. You can see that ONGC, BHEL, BEL, as NTPC, all these companies have gone up. It was a bullish day for all these public listed companies. Okay, let's look the Nifty 50. Okay, so we can see the Nifty 50 is still in the CPR. No pretty much movement. It's quite consolidating. Let's look the Bank Nifty as well. Bank Nifty is in the central pivot range. It's taking a kind of resistance. Taking a kind of sorry, it's taking a kind of support here. So guys, so we can see that the Nifty 50 and Banknifty is in a consolidation phase. Both are consolidating. The time is 12:30 right now. So we might be able to see something after 1:30. After 1:30, 2 o'clock, the market will be very volatile. The price can go up or can go down. So it will be very volatile. So now the market is in a consolidation accumulation phase. Both Nifty, Bank Nifty is not moving much. It's, it's moving up, down, and it's moving in a range. So let's look the other stocks. Let's look at TCS. TCS has gone down by 1.1% today. Okay, here all these stocks are consolidating. We can see like whenever all these stocks are consolidating, Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty will also consolidate because all these are the major weighted stocks in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And we can look at the HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is also consolidating. It has reached this point, and the market was initially in a bearish phase, and from here the buyers have entered, and buyers have pushed the price up. And here the market is again accumulation phase, and once the market breaks this point, this is the VWAP line, and when the market breaks the VWAP line, and you can keep the stop loss below the VWAP line and take the trade. And you can see that the CPR is very narrow today. What does this mean? Whenever CPR is in a narrow, whenever CPR is in narrow, the market is going to be in a trending phase. That's what narrow CPR indicates. So we can see here HDFC is in a consolidation phase, and once it breaks the VWAP, we can take the trade, keep the stop loss under the VWAP. Yeah, that will be the plan. You can look at the ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank, here you can see ICICI Bank is also getting rejected at this point. This is the previous day high. It's the previous day, you can see here. It's the previous day high, and once the price reaches the previous day high, the price is getting rejected here. The price is getting rejected, and price is going down. And again, it took support of the central pivot. It took the support of the CPR, the first CPR. So here the market took the support, and once it breaks here, it will move to the next target. Next zone will be the central pivot, and from here, actually, this whenever the price is in the CPR, it's better now to take the trade. Avoid trading in that stock. Here also, SPI is in the price of SPI is in CPR. It's better not to take the trade here. Actually, you'll be able to draw a pattern here. This is a ascending triangle. If you want the pattern ascending, once it breaks this it's gonna go up. Once it break this area, it's gonna go down. Okay, HDFC, the trend is down.